Welcome to View's low voltage training videos. The overarching goal is to illustrate some key highlights for installing View's product line. You must become familiar with shipping labels, product item numbers, packing slips, interconnect drawings in its entirety, and the bill of materials, which is located on the interconnect drawings. Chapter 1. Reading and Understanding Interconnect Drawings. The View System Design Team will provide preliminary interconnect drawings for review and final approval. These drawings need to be reviewed by the low voltage contractor, glazing contractor, general contractor, and the architect. Low voltage contractor and the glazing contractor are responsible for reviewing all cable lengths and providing feedback to the View PM. Service loops should not exceed 3 to 5 feet. After the preliminary interconnect drawings are approved, View will complete a final production version of the interconnect drawings with the actual bill of materials. The title block on the front page of the interconnect drawings will show production with the date. After you receive, review, and approve the final interconnect drawings, the View controls will be shipped per the terms and conditions on your purchase agreement. Always make sure that you have the most up-to-date version of the View interconnect drawings. See revision number on the lower right-hand margin of the first page. When in doubt, call your View project manager. The cover page of the interconnect includes the sheet index, project scope, revision summary, and general notes. Be sure to review the general notes section to ensure installation standards and workmanship compliance. On this page, you will find symbols, legends, and abbreviations for the View interconnect drawings. It is important to review and become familiar with this information. Contact your View PM with any questions. This drawing shows the connectivity of the View network. This includes connections to the View Master Control Panel, sub-control panels, sky sensor, and the customer's network. The control panel bulkhead map indicates the locations for trunk lines, power insert lines, Ethernet ports, and fiber ports. The one-line diagram is an overview that identifies patterns, trunk lines, and power insert cables. Trunk lines are in green and power inserts are in red. Overall building layout shows the location of control panels, trunk lines, and facades that include view glass. This is a plan view layout by floor number. Trunk layout indicates trunk lengths, cable paths, and terminator locations. It also shows IGU cables at each IGU. This drawing shows the location of the View sky sensor located on the roof of the building. It must be mounted at least 2 feet above the highest obstruction on the roof. The sky sensor must be a 360-degree unobstructed view of the horizon. Ensure mounting height is not obscured based on average snowfall accumulation. Mount must be bonded to building ground. Verify mounting location with architect or building owner. The sky sensor requires POE. Refer to the installation guide for details. This drawing shows the cable path for the trunk line, power insert connection points, the window ID numbers and window control numbers, and the location for all smart window connectors. This drawing shows how to build patterns. For example, for pattern 1, you will build this 9 times, as indicated by the term "thus 9" in detail 1. In detail 2, you can see the location of T-connectors, 1 dB8, drop cables, window controllers, and IGU cables, as well as the configuration of view glass in the facade, looking from the outside of the building inward. This drawing shows the connections, power requirements, and dimensions of the cell modem enclosure. The cell modem does not ship with a power cord. This page provides details of View sky sensor, including installation and network requirements. This drawing shows physical dimensions of the View control panel service area access. The View pull box is available upon request. It attaches to the top of the View control panel, and it provides protection to the cables. Also showing are details of the bulkhead connector layout. The bill of materials shows all parts shipped by View. More specifically, it shows parts plus some spare parts shipped to the LVE and/or Glacier. Shipping address is determined by View's trade partners and customer. After you've reconciled a complete inventory of the bill of materials, make sure you approve through DocuSign within 1 week. If there are any discrepancies, contact the View PM ASAP. This drawing shows zone numbers, mark IDs, IGU numbers, glass dimensions including square footage, window control numbers, window controller ID numbers, and trunk ID numbers. This information will be used by View personnel. This drawing shows typical interconnect diagrams showing basic connections from trunk line to IGU. Note, maximum length for IGU cable is 100 feet. This drawing shows the physical dimensions of the window controllers, control cables, and connectors. This drawing shows how to terminate power insert cables and trunk cables in the field. All other control cables provided by View shipped from the factory are pre-terminated. This drawing also includes connector dimensions and part numbers of all cable lengths. This drawing shows the proper way to label View IGU cables, power insert cables, and trunk cables. Thank you for watching View's low voltage training video. Be sure to always reference the most current View Interconnect drawings, installation guides, and datasheets. For questions or additional information, email lowvoltagetraining@view.com or contact your View project manager.